Hey guys, Pat here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. In the last couple of years I've been collecting parts and pieces for some improvements on our solar setup here. I got a control box or a junction box or a distribution box for our solar setup that has a little bit more room in it. It's actually the box that really goes with the Xantrex system that I have currently now. I also have a new charge controller as a sister to the one I got existing. And so I wanted to share with you a little bit of what I have existing right now before I get started. Okay, currently I have one 60 MPPT charge controller, 60 amp charge controller. I have a Xantrex XW series 4800 watt inverter, and I have the cover pulled off of the midnight distribution panel here, and I'm going to be replacing this distribution panel with this larger distribution panel. It actually goes with that XW series Xantrex inverter, and so it has more room. So the midnight distribution box was adequate, but this box here is going to give me a lot more room. All the switches are going to be in the front, whereas on the midnight charge controller they were on the sides. The breakers were on the sides, with the disconnects and all that. And so this one here is going to be a little bit more easy to manage. It's going to be have a little more room to work in. I think it's just going to be a cleaner setup for this particular application. There's nothing wrong with the midnight charge controller. No complaints. It's been serving us well for years. But I just wanted to upgrade this. This is going to be a lot cleaner install. And as you can see, the breakers are all on the side of the unit. So this is a smaller box, you know, a lot busier in there. So I'll have another charge controller just like that one underneath this existing one, which will accommodate the charge for my higher capacity Trojans that I have right now. I started out with all of these golf cart batteries. These are 6 volt batteries at 105 minutes, 75 amps, and I have three of these in parallel, but I also have some Trojans. I have some Trojan batteries down here, but they are T145 T2 batteries that have a different amperage rating than the golf cart batteries that you can get at Walmart, or not Walmart, that you can get at Les Schwab's or Costco's. So the charge controller that I'm going to put in is going to be actually for these batteries here. I actually have two 680 watt solar panels that I'll be using with these batteries, and a new charge controller will be set up for the batteries and the new collection. So, but what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to tie in the 6 panels that I'm going to get will actually fit into this combiner box, this existing combiner box. This is a midnight solar combiner box, but I'll be able to use those 6 solar panels, 280 watt solar panels, for 3 arrays. So they're 24 volt panels, and so I got to put the 24 volt panels 2 in series to make 48 volts, because this is a 48 volt system. So I'll have to knock out 3 more of these, and I have some more DIN rail breakers to put in here, and from here it will go to a new charge controller. So you'll be using this existing one, but I'll have a sister to this one exactly like this one, and it'll go underneath this existing charge controller to supplement my storage, and everything will be combined together to augment our usage and storage. So I wanted to just go ahead and give you an update on what's happening with the Rain Country power system on our solar. And so I hope you guys stay in tune, because I have a lot of work to do. Thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.